Hi, I'm Martin, your Kangen Waterman, here today to talk about the SD501, the JR2. They're all the same, they have the buttons in the same places to talk about how to use the product and actually how to enjoy the benefits of the water. So let's start right down the bottom here. We've got 2.5 strong acidic water. Now when you press this button, strong acidic water is going to come out the bottom hose. That's the 2.5 for disinfecting, for sterilizing. But at the same time, the water's being split, out the top hose is the 11.5. That's for using as a degreaser. That's for getting those chemicals off your fruits and vegetables, as well as helping shine up things around the kitchen and so on. Then when you press Beauty Water, that is an astringent. It's extremely good for your skin, and there's many other uses that you'll find when you look in your booklets that came with your Enagic unit. Also, it's important to understand that for 15 seconds of each day, run the Beauty Water. So at the start of the day, it's easy to remember, the start of the day, run the Beauty Water. You can actually collect that water and put it on your face, put it on your skin, put it in a spritzer spray and take it out with you for the day. But the Beauty Water needs to be run for 15 seconds each day to help keep the unit clean. Now, another thing to notice is that the Beauty Water and the 2.5 are both red when you press them, and they will beep to warn you that they are acidic. Okay, so they're not for drinking. When you press Clean Water, you'll see it's green. This is filtered water. It's used for when you're taking any pharmaceutical medication and if you're making any baby formula. So it's advised that just your babies are actually drinking this 7 water up until they're about 18 months old. Then you can potentially introduce Kangen water to them. So that Clean Water's there. Basically, Kangen water, 9.5. You've got 9.5, you've got 8.5. So all you do is you press the button until you get the water that you want. So I preferred 9.5. When you start drinking this water, I really do advise that for the first week at least, you drink 8.5. See how your body copes with that, because your body's not used to an ion charge, the antioxidant value of the water. It's not used to an electrical charge to get on in there, but it's also not used to the hydrogen ions at high levels. So that can help your body go into a detox, which is great, because obviously if your body's full of toxins that need to come out, great, but just bear in mind that the 8.5 is a gentle charge, the 9 is a higher, and the 9.5 is even higher again. So most people I know drink 9.5. Some drink 9, some drink 8.5, but most drink 9.5. So first week on 8.5, if you feel fine, next week go to 9, feel good after that, go to 9.5. That's what's going to help you actually experience the true power of Kangen water, the charged antioxidant-rich component, the alkalized component in hydrogen ion-rich, and the actual ability from the microclustering property side of it for the water to hydrate your organs faster, promote your body to start functioning better. So there's lots more education that I provide, but that's a quick overview on how to use the unit. I look forward to educating you further. As always, take care. Bye-bye.